What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW 330e. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 288 combined horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and also has an electric motor, as it is the 330e model. You can also get roughly 20 to 25 miles of electric range in this car. So the 330e is a great daily driver because, hybrid vehicles are like a great, option. Like, instead of a regular 330i, the 330e will give you that electric component to it. It will give you better fuel economy, which is great. And if you have a short commute, you could just be driving straight off electric range, which is pretty cool. And this one also has iDrive 8, and I didn't even know the 23s had iDrive 8, so that's pretty cool. And the I models and E models have the blue circle around the BMW logo. You also have open port wood trim, and this one's really nice. It has a red interior, and this one has a black exterior, which we'll take a look at. But this one's not even an M Sport, so it's really hard to find black with red interior on a regular base model 330e. So this is a really nice spec. It looks fantastic, and it's like a dark red. It's not like a bright, red that's too flashy. It looks great. This one's not equipped with Harman Kardon, however. You have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Seats are pretty comfortable, actually. I'm pretty sure this is Sensitech. It doesn't feel like, this is, wait, maybe it is. Maybe it's not Sensitech. I'm not sure. But yeah, here's the reverse camera. You have sport, hybrid, and electric modes. Balanced hybrid drive, electric individual, and sport. And you also have extra boost mode. And you have a pretty big sunroof in here as well. Center console storage is pretty good. You can charge your phone with a USB-C cable over there, and you also have a wireless charging tray. Really nice placement. I have a 2021 G80 M3, as you guys know, and I wish I had the wireless charging tray over there. Mine's in the glove box, which is super frustrating because I never use it. Here's the key. But yeah, if I had the wireless charging tray over there, I'd be using it in my car every single day because that's a great placement for it. But let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. So it's a plug-in hybrid, electrified by eye. You plug in your vehicle right there. So yeah, if you have a short commute, you could just be driving straight off electric range, which is fantastic. You also have black wheels. This one's a really good spec for a base 330e. It looks awesome. You also have LED headlights, black grille. Again, yeah, it's not even an M Sport, and it has a black grille. This is like, even has the black trim. This is probably the best looking 330e I've seen. It says 330e on the back, dual outlet exhaust. And here's the trunk. But let's get this car out on the road and see what it's like to drive. Then the car turned off. Maximum electric and combustion drive power with extra boost. So let's try that. Pretty quick in this extra boost mode. Steering feels nice. The car feels comfortable. Let's go back in balanced hybrid drive. This is what most people would probably be driving this car in. Yeah, like, this red interior makes this car like such a nice. This is such a good spec. But like, if you want to drive a BMW and you want something that gives good fuel economy and is more practical for daily driving, for that reason, this would be a great car. And you're not compromising on style too, because it's not like it's like a boring looking car. This specific one looks fantastic. You'll have a really good looking car with good fuel economy, and you can use it for road trips, everything you want, and it's nice, And you also have a sport individual mode. And this vehicle is, I believe it's also available with X Drive. This one is the rear-wheel drive model. Yeah, look how cool this car looks. Look at those DRLs, really nice. But overall, very nice 2023 BMW 330e right here. Very stylish, very nice to drive, has good electric range, and it's good. But thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMW products.